Hello, good day, viewers. You're welcome to my class. I am Aisha Bande. If this is your first time coming across my video, I welcome you. Please kindly give me a follow if you like what I'm doing and give me a thumbs up on this video. It will go a long way. And please don't forget to repost this video so it can reach a larger audience. We have a question to solve today, which is a question on the indices. It says 8 to the power of x is equal to the root of 4 root 2. So we're required to find the value of x. So let's get started. So here we have 8 to the power of x is equal to, now let's simplify the right hand side. We have the root of 4 and the root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power of half, right? Because from the law of indices, if you have the root of a, this can also be written as a to the power of 1 over 2. Now, since the 2 we have here, inside the square root and we have 4, we have 8x to the power of x on the left hand side. Now, what this means is that we can now make the bases become equal. So we can work with base 2. So now we're going to represent the 8 to become 2 to the power of 3. Now we have a power of x here is equal to the square root of 4. Square root of 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of half. Now we have been able to make all the bases become equal. Now this becomes easier to solve. Here we have base 2, then we multiply the power, which is 3 times x. This gives us 3x. This is equal to, now the square root symbol can also be written as, can also be taken as to the power of half. So now this becomes 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of half, all to the power of half, right? Because the square root symbol here is now to the power of half. Now all the bases are equal. Now let's simplify. This becomes 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2. We pick one of the base, which is 2, and then we add the powers. From the laws of indices, if you have x to the power of a multiplied by x to the power of b, this is equal to x to the power of a plus b. So now this becomes 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2, all to the power of 1 over 2. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to have a rough work by the side. Let's simplify the power. We have 2 plus 1 over 2. Now this 2 can also be written as 2 over 1. It doesn't change the value, right? So what we do here now, we are going to take the LCM. We can use the butterfly method in this case. For the butterfly method, this is what we do, like this and like this, right? So 2 multiplied by 2 here gives us 4, plus 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. Then we'll multiply the denominators, which is 1 multiplied by 2, we have 2. So simplifying this now, we have 4 plus 1, which gives us 5. We have the denominator as 2. So we have simplified that now. We're going to substitute back. Now this becomes 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 5 over 2, all to the power of 1 over 2, right? So we have 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 5 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. Moving on, we have 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 5 times 1 gives us 5 over 2 times 2 gives us 4. Now the bases are now the same, both on the left hand and on the right hand side. So what do? We equate the powers. This becomes 3x is equal to 5 over 4. So guys, if you have watched up to this point, I want to use this opportunity to tell you thank you for your engagement. And do not forget to give me a follow by subscribing to my channel. And if this is your first time, kindly click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video here or anytime I go live on this channel. So moving on, remember we're looking for the value of x, right? So what at this point, we're going to do what? We're going to cross multiply. So to cross multiply, what do we do here? This becomes 3x multiplied by 4 is equal to 5. 3x multiplied by 4 gives us 12x. This is equal to 5. Since we're looking for the value of x, what we do is we divide both sides by 12. Dividing both sides by 12, so looking at this now, 12 cancels out and we are left with the value of x on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have 5 over 12. And 5 over 12 is in its lowest term. So we stop here because we can't simplify this further. So what this means is that the value of x for these indices, a to the power of x is equal to root 4 root 2, gives us the final answer as 5 over 12. So we've come to the end of this video for today. If you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section. See you in my next video as we solve more examples on the indices. Thank you for watching. Bye.